What's up guys? Back here in the garage again. You may not recognize this garage, and that is because
I bought a house.
That's right, I did buy a house. I also got engaged. I have a wedding coming up. I've taken up a second job. So needless to say, I've got a lot going on. That's the reason for not many videos recently. I may not be one of those YouTubers that post every week or maybe even every month, but I will have updates when they come. I don't want to fabricate this channel in any way. I want this to be what a real build is like when you're on a little bit of a lower budget and don't have a whole lot of time on your hands. And I don't want to fabricate that and come out with content every week and try to like make it seem like the average guy that's working full-time and has other activities and stuff going on can just build a car like this in 1 month or something. Alright guys, so in this first box what we got is an oil filter housing for the VR6. My old one was stripped out along here and in there, so I just went on ahead and grabbed one off of someone on Facebook. I also got an aluminum valve cover for my VR6. Don't want to give too much away about this, but it's going to make the car look a lot nicer. Yeah, folks, this is it. Got a round eye conversion in. Round eye grill. That doesn't look like the right Volkswagen logo. That looks like, I don't know, maybe it is that big. Almost looks like that came off of a Beetle or something. Little headlight rings. Boom. Other headlight ring. And then we have our round eyes. Alright guys, so I also at some point ordered this hood latch with the little lever so you can pop the hood outside of the car, and it'll also clean up the bay because you don't have that wire system running up to the latch. I'm not sure when I ordered this, but this is a wanted item if you like Mark 1s, and I plan on incorporating it into the build. So that's about it guys. Thanks for watching, and tune in for the next videos. I promise it's going to get more interesting.